the Lenski Contour Gauge for fathers or dads or guys or gals. Basically, what this is a contour gauge. So if you've got a dad or maybe you do woodworking or tile work, anything where you need to measure around oddly shaped things such as door frames. Let's use a box here, right? We need to measure around this box. Boom. This allows you to easily measure around weird shapes. And then what you can do here is you can lock that in place so it's not moving. And it even comes with a pencil, so dad can trace around that to make sure he's cutting everything exactly to spec. So if he's going and cutting with a saw, this is going to give him the exact way he needs to cut that. At the end of the day, if you or someone you love needs a tool like this, I can confirm the lock works really well. It measures very finely, and it's even got a ruler built into it, and it comes with a pencil. If you're looking for this kind of gift, I can vouch that this seems to work really well. And based on the number I'm seeing on the screen there, it's a really good value.